real win, real victory by taking an invoice and sending it over to Amazon with a well-written plan of action. Okay, this is our case number 05565. We won reactivation through the awesome work of Vincent Familaro. One of our paralegals has been with us for years and years. And so there was zero sales, there was no money being made on the product. So in the plan of action, we argued that we're going to remove ourselves from the listing. We sent in the invoice. The invoice had an internet presence. There was a website right on it. The source of the products had a telephone number on the invoice. They pick up their calls, and Vincent won the reactivation of this seller's account by giving up a product that really had no effect on the bottom line. So Amazon takes invoices. Plans of action are successful. If you want to learn more, go to the best team in the world. That's my team at AmazonSellersLawyer.com.